how to buy a WHISP token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description below. As you can see, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account, as you can see, and keep following their updates about this token. Now, this token is available on the screener, so if you don't have an account on it, just go and create one. So the liquidity here, as you can see, it's locked by 97%. That's good. That's made investment in a safe place. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token is under the Solana network. As you can see, this token is trending number 27 in the screener right now. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. Log into your wallet. Now click on swap. Make sure you have enough Solana, of course, on your wallet. After that, click here and paste the token address, as you can see. Now, as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. Just wait a few seconds to be able to see how much you receive. Select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. Click and swap. After that, you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issues after that, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from this slippage. So go and you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy a WHISP token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.